All right, I'm back with some different shapes and looking at the volumes of these different shapes. So as I've said in many videos, when you look up the volume of any of the shapes, a lot of them will say that the area or the volume of it is the base times the height. That doesn't really help necessarily because when we're doing this, we need to know what the actual base is and we need to find out the area of the base. So in this case, we have a rectangular shape that is sitting, if you're thinking about this being a surface, it's sitting on a rectangle. However, if I'm looking at this, the shape of this is actually a triangular prism, which means the base is actually the triangle part. So we do have a vertical height, which is from the top of the triangle to the very bottom. You can see the right angle indicator that that is the vertical height of this. And so we have a vertical height of 12. We have a base amount of 8. And then we have, if I turn this on its side so that the triangle was where it was actually sitting on, the height of it would be 20. So these are all in meters. So since it is a triangular based pyramid, or not pyramid, sorry, a triangular based prism, I would try to get that out, we are going to take the area of that triangle, which the area of a triangle is our base times our height of the triangle divided by 2. So that's the area of a triangle right here. And then we're going to multiply it times the height of this, which in this case is 20. So it's the length of that rectangle. So we have like a big H. We have little h and a big H. Little one is indicating the height of this triangle, which in this case is 12. And then we have the height of the actual prism itself, which is 20. So now I'm just going to plug in the numbers. The base of this is 8. And then we're going to times that by the height of it, which is 12. We'll divide that number by 2. And then we're going to multiply it by the height of this, which is 20. So again, really order of operations is extremely important when you're doing the volumes of these things. So we are going to do 8 times the 12. Get that answer. We're going to divide that by 2. We get 48. And then we're going to multiply it times the height of that prism. And we're going to get a total of 960. So I have a volume of 960, and we are talking about meters here. And any kind of volume has a cubic measurement. So the answer is 960 meters cubed. And that is how you solve for the volume of a triangular prism. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, U1 Algebra. Check these out under the volume section.